Did you know there is also a grade list system of pay with the federal government? Yes, it is still a grade above all those grades that we've talked about. GS, GG, VN, VG, VS, A, B, C. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. I know, it's confusing. And it might just be above my pay grade to discuss, but I'm going to try. So stay with me. Lisa, here. The objective is to get your foot in the door working with the federal government and to keep it there. All these nuances you need to know to get your foot in the door with the federal government and keep it there so that you can understand how far you can take it. Because you can't get anywhere in reality until you've first been there in your imagination. These tips are to help you keep it there. That's the more with easy federal resumes and what? More. So be sure to have your notification bell on and hit like. Now for certain, I can tell you that the general scale, GS, is the primary pay grade for federal employees, especially those in the professional, technical, administrative, and clerical positions field. The GS system consists of 15 grades, from the lowest, GS1, which I've been, to the highest, GS15, which I am definitely not. The highest grade level is 15, and each grade has steps, 1 through 10. The Senior Executive Service, SES, is an elite group of men and women at the highest point of their professional standards who administer public programs at top levels of the federal government. So yes, smart people, there is a grade above a GS15, but which is not a grade. Members of the SES are the pay grade above GS15 and serve directly below presidential employees. Members of the SES are the pay grade above the GS15s and serve directly below presidential appointees. You very well might aspire to become one of those SES in your career with the federal government. There are two types of positions in this elite group. 2, career reserved, which are impartial positions that can only be filled by career appointees, which are the greater majority, somewhere around 90% of senior executive appointees are in this category. And then there's the general positions, which may be filled by any type of SES employee, including political appointees. Approximately 10% of SES positions are in this category. Now, SES is a grade list system, as I've said. It's at the discretionary of the agency within a wide band area, which can range between 150 to 200K. But the SES employees also receive compensation that is linked directly to their performance. And that federal employee, the SES, who are at that level are eligible for the Presidential Level Award Program. So they're getting paid and have a hella amount of responsibility for it. So when I say, and you will say too, that's above my pay grade, I mean way above. And we're going to talk more about these types of grade variables and build a playlist, which I'll call finances. There I'm going to tuck in videos about pay scales and grades like these, as well as pay changes and raises, and even my own, because it helps you have insight from my own experience. All these nuances you need to know to get your foot in the door with the federal government and understand how far you can take it, because you can't get anywhere in reality until you've first been there in your imagination. Quick tips like these help you keep it there because there's more here at Easy Federal Resumes. So please be sure to have your notification bell on, hit like, and subscribe. In the meantime, let's get ready because part of being smart is being prepared. Watch this video next. Bye for now.